field off with turn number 4. Green flag. Turn number 1. Gerber, Lindell. Here comes Kevin Walker in the 118. The 2T. First over off with turn number 4. So the field coming back to green, Lindell and Gerber. Green flag. Gerber with the advantage through turns 1 and 2. Going to have the race lead off at turn number 2. Gerber clears the 14 and Lindell. Here comes Walker in the 118. Gerber, little lead lap number 1. Up the race turn 16. Then Marty Gerber leads lap 1. Here comes the 118 Walker. Kevin Walker trying the outside of one bottom. Hanging on to third in front of Rich Schweitzer. The Forrest Tim Scott, good three-way battle for third. And Kevin Walker trying to work the outside lane to get around the Lucy and Gerber. Here comes Walker. Is he going to get pinched in by Boucher? No. Trying to find the way around, starting to run out of time. The front two, almost a full straightaway now ahead of Scott Lindell in third. Walker slips up off of turn number 2. Gerber continues to lead on the bottom. Walker running out of time. White flag from Gerber. Chance for Kevin Walker to find a way around the 2T. Gets into the back of the 2T and spins him off at turn number 2. Caution on the pit side with engine issues. Getting ready to come back to green. One lap shootout. Gerber with the advantage through turns 1 and 2. Lindell up the racetrack. Here comes Tim Scott for second. Into turn number 3 for the final time. The twin checkers. Tim Scott finishes second. Kevin Walker third. Scott Lindell fourth.